Hello, and welcome to another Gema video. Today we're going to talk about how to deep clean the OptiSelect Pro gun. There's some basic steps that you can use to ensure good performance and longer life out of the gun. Periodically, it is recommended that you deep clean the gun just to make sure that there's no powder that's building up inside the gun, and just to make sure that all the parts are in good shape and good repair. The best way to clean the gun is to use a compressed air gun and blow off any powder off the exterior of the gun. Once you've done that, remove the nozzle. Inspect it if there's any damage that you see. We'll set this aside for cleaning in a moment. And now we'll disconnect the powder hose. With the powder hose free, now we have the ability to blow powder out of the gun using our blow-off gun. The amount of air or the amount of time that you use to clean the gun really depends on how long you've been using it. But once you've noticed that there's no additional powder continuing to come out of the gun, you can pretty much assure that you've got it clean. Now, as a way to make sure that the gun is performing correctly, it's best to have a flashlight that's available and look down inside the gun, both from the bottom as well as from the nozzle end, and inspect for any agglomeration of powder that may be building up. If you find that there is some powder that maybe is building up, each OptiSelect Pro unit comes with a cleaning brush that can be used to clean the interior of the gun. Inserting the brush into the gun, using the brush and rotating as you push the brush into and circulating and cleaning and slowly removing and pulling out. Doing the same procedure on the front of the gun as well, pushing the brush in, not trying to go too far to damage the gun, and pulling it out. Once you've done that enough times, you should see that if there's any powder that is built up inside the brushes, the bristles of the brush should be able to remove any of the powder, and then use compressed air to blow out any particles of powder that may remain. Once you've completed this step, we can assemble the powder hose back into the bottom of the gun. We can also then inspect our nozzle and make sure that it is clean as well. And once we have cleaned the nozzle, we can reassemble the gun back so that it's ready to be used. Now that you've cleaned the gun, orient the nozzle so that it's aligned in the direction that you would like for coating. Once you've aligned the nozzle, tighten up the threaded sleeve, and you're ready to go. We hope that you found this video helpful on some basic steps to deep cleaning the gun. Thank you for watching.